Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to add Venmo as a payout method on Stockx. So to add Venmo first to your payout method, I'm not going to show you how to add payout method first. I'm going to show you what are the countries that are eligible for Venmo first. So as you can see here, this is the page that explains to you what are the options for payout. And here, as you can see, it is clear that Stockx supports 4 methods of payout for sellers within the United States. There is PayPal, Venmo, bank transfer, debit card. So for United States residents, you are going to be able to accept payout through Venmo. But outside the United States, Stockx supports 2 types of payout methods, PayPal and bank transfer. So first, before we can start with this video, you need to understand that if you are outside of the United States, Venmo, you're not eligible to it. Now, how can we add Venmo? Now, it's very simple, to be honest. From here, all you need to do is to, of course, go to your account and go to Selling and make sure that you have your account verified. All these steps have been gone through and verified and completed. So you can get to the last one. So now, once you get to the last one, you will need to choose your account type, then provide any verified information, as I have mentioned. In case you were a business, it is a little bit different because you will need to provide them your business registration information and company address, business contacts information, and business contact address. Then you need to create account security questions and review Hyperwallet terms and conditions. After that, add or verify your preferred payout method, and it should be looking something like that. And then choose Venmo as your payout method. It's very easy and simple as you will be in the step. So just once you are here, just put your information and it's gonna be it. And please note that due to EU anti-money laundering regulations, sellers in Europe who represent a business when selling on StockX will need to submit documentation to prove business registration. So this is something for Europe, but doesn't matter because we only care about United States now. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.